What's up, you guys? Today I'll be unboxing the Xbox Series X controller charging stand, which I'm pretty excited to open it, so let's get into the video. You may be asking, why did I buy me another charging stand? I needed a new charging stand that was capable of charging the new Series X controllers, which my old charging stand was not capable of, so I had to buy me another one. So why did I specifically buy this charging stand out of all charging stands on Amazon Prime? Amazon. Well, this one on the box labels 40 hours without charging, dude. Imagine 40 hours without leaving your room without going outside, dude. That's just crazy. That's complete nonsense right there. Front of the box, it labels compatible with all Xbox controllers, not just the Xbox Series X, but like the old versions of the Xbox controllers. Bottom of the box gives you more information about the charging stand. If you want to read the whole thing, pause the video. I will place the link down below the video, and plus the price will be around 29 bucks. When you first open the package, it comes with 4 covers, 2 batteries for 2 controllers. Also comes with a USB micro B cable. And finally, the charging stand. I forgot to mention some instructions which are pretty easy to understand, which I will show you guys right now. For the first step, you'll need to unwrap the USB micro B cable. For the second step, connect it to the charging stand. For the final step, you just need to connect the cable to the outlet and should be ready to charge. After plugging in, the LED light should turn into the color green or red. Another cool feature I love about this charging stand, you don't actually need a charging stand to charge your controllers. You can just use the cable that comes with the charging stand. In order to charge your controllers with the charging stand, you need to replace your Duracell batteries. If you still use Duracell batteries, you're weird. Straight up a weird person. Replace whatever you have in your controller with the batteries that comes with the pack. You guys have to know that 2 of the battery doors are for the old version of the controller, while the other 2 are for the new Series X controllers. The one I'm showing right now are for the Series S controllers. Other 2 are for the old versions of the controllers. When you place down the controller, the lights will turn to the color red. When it's fully charged, it will turn to the color green. I will be back with the test results. After testing for 5 weeks straight, I can confirm the batteries did not last for 40 hours. You may be asking, how do I know this? How do you have the evidence to prove this? I spend 10 hours every day in my room playing video games non-stop. But the batteries can last around a day. Charging time, it takes about maybe 3 hours to charge it. I don't really charge it during the day because I'll usually charge it overnight when I'm going to bed. Sometimes I forget to charge them overnight and it will last for a couple extra hours. But you can swap batteries when the other one runs out. My opinion over the charging stand, I honestly recommend you guys to buy it. I like it when you can charge 2 controllers at the same time. That's pretty cool. That's a cool feature. Another cool feature about the product, if you lose the charging stand somehow, you can use the cable that comes with the product, but it will only charge 1 controller per charge. But it gives you the option if you want to use a cable or a charging stand. It also charges the controller way faster. I'd rather wait for 3 hours straight than wait for 10 hours just for the controller to fully charge. And it could save money as well. I'd rather charge my controller than spend my money on Duracell batteries. I like it when the LED indicator lights notifies when it's ready to be used. The only problem I could find is that it's only for Xbox players, not for PlayStation. I would honestly give it a 5-star rating. I do not regret buying this product. Way better than my old charging stand. If you're an Xbox player and you're looking for a new charging stand, I definitely recommend you guys to check it out. It's definitely better than any other charging stand you would find on Amazon. I will put a link down below the video, and thank you guys for watching the video, and peace out.